Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at my latest order from Beebeecraft. So those of you who are maybe new to the channel or don't know what Beebeecraft is, it's a website where you can go and they have absolute tons and tons of jewelry supplies and craft supplies. For my viewers, they've graciously provided a discount code. If you go to the website, you will get 10% off when you enter the code JULES10. So that's JULES and the number 10. Anyway, let's take a look. So as I always say at the beginning, everything comes extremely well packed. So I've kind of opened some of the stuff. So it comes in a padded envelope and then inside is another padded envelope, and it's usually like folded or taped. And then everything else inside is also like very well packed. So that's just my packing slip. So all right, let's take a look at what we have got today. And I'm pretty excited about this order. I tried to kind of stick to a theme. So this theme is space, planets and stars and the solar system and the moon. So the first thing I ordered were these cabochons, and they come in mixed sizes, and I just thought they would kind of represent planets, and they actually came out so much better than I even hoped they would. So it looks like I've got like 2, maybe 3 different sizes here. I'm just gonna quickly do a quick measure. So the smallest one looks like 18 millimeters. Yeah, these two are 18. And then we have these medium, so you get 3 18, you get 3 20 millimeter. And then these guys are 25, it looks like, yeah, 25 millimeter. So you get 4 25 millimeter, 4 20 and 4 18 millimeter. Anyway, so I'm going to have fun playing with those and making myself some planets and moons. Really pretty, nice shiny finish, flat back obviously, and a slight dome on them. But oh, that one's so pretty. They're really, really pretty. And these are just some sort of agate, I think. They're not anything, anything special, but they are, for what I need them, they're perfect. And I really like the coloring on them, the kind of gray and tan. I like how there's like a red one, there's a yellow one. I think that's really fun. So I'm super thrilled with these. And as I always do, I will put links to everything in down below in the description. Okay, so the next thing I ordered is these little stars, and they kind of almost look like sequins just in the package, but I believe they're actually thicker than they appear at first. So as you can see, they're gold-plated, and they're actually a little bit smaller than I thought they were, but I think they're super cute. I can't wait to add these into something. So on the front, they are kind of have a pattern on them, okay? Make them extra sparkly. And then on the back, they are just smooth, but they are actually, substantial. You can see that they are quite thick. So they're not gonna like fold or anything. They're proper, they're like a chain, sort of thickness. I just love how they pick up the light with that cutting on the front of them. They're so cute. I cannot wait to use these. And you get a lot of them. I don't know how many it might say in the on the website. Anyway, so these are super cute, and I'm excited about those as well. This whole order I'm excited about, honestly. So I will put a link also down below for that. Okay. Then here I have, these are moon cycle charms. Oh wow, they're each individually bagged in a little, so these looks like they rip apart and then they're all individually sealed in. How cute are these though? Like, so these are all little, the moon cycle, so from waxing to waning. And this would be so cute on a little bracelet, as a little accent on a necklace, just by itself, even on a chain, would be really, really pretty. And it looks like you get a lot of those as well. I've got 2 strips here, and each strip has 10, so you get 20 of those. I just love how they're packaged in little individual sections. That's so cute. Okay, so that's some little moon cycle charms, or yeah, I guess charms. Spacers, moon cycle spacers. Okay, and then next here, and I probably should have already opened this. This is some chain that I ordered that has little stars on it. So yeah, you can completely see the theme here of the space, you know, planets, astral theme. Okay. A lot of things from Beebeecraft come in these cute little boxes, which I just think are so adorable. Oh, this has tape as well. Like I say, everything's so well packaged. Anyway, they have everything you could possibly need. Sometimes it's hard. There's so many things it's hard to even decide, you know, what to order, because you'll put something in and then there'll be so many choices. Okay, this is a very yellow gold here. Oh, and they're much closer together than I thought they would be as well. So this is the necklace with the little stars on it, and I just think they are so cute. And I'm actually thinking I'm going to use this like a fringe, not as a chain itself, but more as a little fringe like underneath something. So they just have little star charms. Very, very cute. And it looks like you get a lot here. I think it's a meter, from what I remember from the website. Anyway, but you know, that could be a fun little addition to something that you make. And you could either use it as a cute little, I mean, that would just be a cute little bracelet on its own, honestly. It's adorable. But yeah, I'm going to use it as a fringe, probably under a necklace or something, or around something, just probably short. You could even make a cute little earring with it hanging down, just with the little stars. Anyway, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with it, but I just thought it looked really cute. Okay, so obviously that's not like gold, actual gold, since it's so yellow, but it's cute nonetheless. Okay, and then here I ordered some different sizes of sew-on little sew-on settings here, which I thought would be fun for stars, or, you know, kind of represent little stars or suns or whatever in my galaxy. And you get 3 different sizes. So it looks like you have 4, see what that is. So it looks like it would be about, yeah, so you get a 4mm, I think it's a 5mm, and these might be 6mm, I'm guessing. see. Yeah, 6. Okay. So you get some 4 millimeter sew-ons, some 5 millimeter, and some 6. So these are not the flat back ones. Well, they are flat back, but they're not the ones with the X on the back. They're more raised up than that. But they're just in little gold settings, so they kind of fit with my theme here. And you get all 3 sizes, which is nice. And then last but not least, I ordered some Toho seed beads. And these are Toho number 611, which is a matte gray, a matte dark gray color. And it's 50 grams. So they have 2 different sizes. I think you can get 10 grams or 50 grams. So I went ahead and got 50 grams. But these are just your normal standard Toho round seed beads. So they carry Toho, they carry Miyuki, and they carry a few other brands as well. They don't necessarily have every color and every brand, but, you know, it's worth, if you're on there anyway and you need something for your stash, to go on and look at the seed beads as well. Okay, so this is my space theme. You can kind of see why I got the gray. That's going to be my my black part of space. And all my little stars and my planets and my little moon cycle. So anyway, if you see anything you like, I will put everything down below for you. And don't forget to use the code Jules10 when you're checking out, and you'll get 10% off anything you order, not just what I've shown here. Okay. All right. Take care for now. I'll see you soon. Bye.